Want to learn C programming but don't know where to start? Well, you're in luck. Today, we're going to explore the best and free C programming courses available online by Udemy. First on our list is the C programming tutorial. This comprehensive course offers a thorough introduction to C at the most fundamental level, making it simple for you to understand every concept. It covers everything about the C language, its structure, and more. It sets the foundation for learning other programming languages. Next up is the C Programming Bootcamp. This course provides a clear introduction to C. It's perfect for anyone who wants to learn programming or pursue a career in it. Here you'll cover the basic implementation of different concepts, learn about different inbuilt functions, and how to solve various problems. The third course is the Complete C Programming. This course is tailored for aspiring C developers, firmware developers looking to enhance their C language expertise, and enthusiasts interested in programming at a bare metal level. Fourth on the list is Step-by-Step Complete Tutorial for Beginners. This course offers an in-depth introduction to C at the most basic level. You'll get the chance to excel in C, understand recursion, learn string utilities like sprintf and stirtok, grasp bitwise operators and master function pointers. The fifth course is the Advanced C Programming course. This course is not for beginners, but if you've already used C programming before, here you'll apply advanced concepts to other languages, write high-quality code for better job prospects, and master a variety of topics. The sixth course is the Complete C Language. This course offers a clear and easy introduction to C, covering topics like conditions and control flow and different types of loops. It's perfect for beginners, C developers starting out, academy students, and high-tech professionals. Last but not least is Beginners Master the C Language. This course teaches you the basics of C really well, helping you to excel in C programming, boost your job opportunities, master one of the most popular languages, and grasp the foundation of modern coding. To summarize, the courses we discussed are C Programming Tutorial, C Programming Bootcamp, the Complete C Programming, Step-by-Step Complete Tutorial for Beginners, Advanced C Programming course, the Complete C Language course, and Beginners Master the C Language. All these courses are available on Udemy, and you can find the links in the description. Remember, the journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. So take that first step today and embark on your journey to mastering C programming.